wabarakatuh, brothers and sisters. So today I'm here with my little sister Ahlaam. Say Assalamoalaikum.
AssalamoAlikum.
Loudly.
AssalamoAlikum.
So in the past few days I have been receiving some messages asking on how I wear my hijab. So today I'm going to put it on my sister Ahlaam. So Achu, let's start.
Yes, let's start. Ow.
First I'm going to comb her hair and make a small ponytail at the end. Take the end of the shawl like this, the left side, okay, and then you put it on your head and then you make a small folding and then just okay, fine. Show your face. Achu, open your eyes.
I'm sleeping. What?
Sleeping?
Yeah.
You shouldn't sleep right now. You can sleep after this
Night.
tutorial. Okay, and then you just make a small folding like this.
What did you say?
You really need a cone on your forehead or something. Yeah, and then
I'm so cute.
you're so cute.
Yeah.
Ahlaam, you are cute. Okay, now
Don't say Ahlaam Must.
so take the smaller part and put it under the longer part like this. Show your face. Under the longer part and then take the longer part and then wrap it around by holding the smaller part like this. Okay, wait. Just don't let the cone go. The cone, okay. I'll just put the hair back so that it won't come in the front. Then take it like this. I hope you can see. So take it like this, and then